Faith. By the way, I am the lecturer for this subject. So our topic is all about school culture, principles, and theory. So according to BART 2002, defines school culture as a complex pattern of norms, attitudes, beliefs, behaviors, values, ceremonies, traditions, and myths that are deeply ingrained in the very core of the organization. It is a historical transmitted pattern of meaning that wields ushering power and shaping what people think. So what is culture? Please read everyone.
Culture is composed of traditions, values, and beliefs that are held common by the students, teachers, and principals. Schools are a direct reflection of the society from which the students come. The term school culture refers to beliefs, perceptions, limitations, attitudes, opinions, and materials which shape and influence the aspects of life.
So as we all know, culture is a tradition, values, and beliefs that are held in community, the student, teachers, and principals. So school are a direct reflection of the society from which the students come. The term school culture generally refers to the beliefs, perceptions, relationships, attitudes, and written and unwritten rules that shape, influence, or aspect. So there are two types of school culture: the positive school culture and negative school culture. So positive school culture, in positive school culture, teachers, administrators, and students value learning. There is a normal of continuous learning and improvement, and all educators feel responsible for the learning of all students in the school. Collaborative, collegial relationships are valued, and opportunities are provided for classroom collective inquiry and sharing about teaching and learning. So, ang positive culture is it's all about collaboration instead of competing. So, this one is kanang kung positive ang school is kanang wala sila kanang minsan ang pag-consistent ba kanang wala sila yung mga issue, then gamay ang mga absences tungkol kay kanang positive ang ilahang culture. Kanang nag-collaborate ang mga students and ang teachers and parents. And next is negative culture. Negative culture, on the other hand, some schools possess negative school culture. This toxic culture excludes norms and values that hinder growth and learning. There is a lack of purpose and often students are blamed for performance. It is recommended that the staff and the principal work together to address negativity and shape a more positive culture for the school. So, ang negative is dili naka-emphasize ang mga bullying, daghang mga absences, daghang mga issue about behavioral and kanang ilang performance is dili ka precious sa positive nga more on daghan kayong kanang more eager to learn sila ba, while ang negative is kanang kailangan pag kanang guidance or effort sa principal para mahimo siyang positive school culture. So there are 4 principles of school culture, but before that, we will tackle first about the unity of purpose. So unity of purpose, an important aspect of vision is the notion of shared vision. Some studies indicate that it is the presence of this personal vision in a part of a leader, shared with members of the organization that may differentiate true leaders from mere managers. According to Manis, 1986, a leader vision needs to be shared by those who will be involved in the realization of the vision. So, in my understanding, what unity of purpose is kanang ang principals or ang teachers ang and parents ang mag-unity para makuha ang itong problema about sa students about lack of study because of the negative school culture. And then, next is learning partnership. The leadership capacity of the entire school community, including teachers, students, and parents, must be developed for maximize student success. The lack of strong community
must be willing to divest from the economic responsibility of almost to the same. So the contribution of the Philippines University to principal siya ang support sa mga teachers ng training program about sa mga sensitivity of focus sa student inside the campus. And then next we're going to talk about the basics of school culture. So tourism school culture is psychological functionalism. Since functionalism magamit din siya sa inside the campus, hindi lang sa classroom. And then, from functionalist perspective, school culture serves as the earning function of the school. And then, when we say tourism school culture it is include the norms, values, belief, tradition, and the practice to shape environment inside the classroom. Okay? So first, we have to convey a sense of identity for the school leaders. Second, we have positive thinking and transition of school movement. And then, enhancing social system and stability. And fourth is serving as a sense of advice and guide and strict behavior for of school leaders. And then creating boundary, effective functions and distribution among organizations. And then we have writing the organization for better. So that is part of school tourism. And then we have the providing appropriate standard for the behavior. And then serving as a self-control system organization. Okay, so for instance, Hargreaves 1995 is identified two different functions of school culture. First, we have social control and we have expressing social frictions. And then the process of approach. So the process of approach of school cultures, we have to respond the drawback of the quality, functionalism, science, or state, school culture with the process of approach. So this approach focuses upon the mechanism by which school culture is developed in the day of Nova and Miller 1995 and 1997. And then how to improve the effectiveness approach. So first, to improve the effectiveness approach is to some extent that the origin of this approach can be traced back to the movement of integrating the classroom effectiveness research and school improvement research in 1990. And then, on the one hand, school effectiveness research can offer guidance for school improvements. On the other hand, school improvement research can examine the finding of school effective research. Reynolds 2002 by the computers and identifies school cultures as a critical component to maintain and achieve improved school. So as a computer of identified school cultures, last time mga critical ng idea how to maintain the effectiveness of school culture approach is how siya mag-organize sa campus. And then, that's that. So in the school culture daw, nasa yung organization culture which issues to reviews of school and organization with their own unique culture that influence behavior and decision making. And it is emphasized the importance of shared value, belief, rituals, or shaping school identity inside the campus. And we have these stories that provide frameworks for understanding how the school culture is performed, maintained,